Hi, Sky Scientists. It's Miss Vanis here with you today for some science. I hope you're excited because I am. Make sure that you're in a good spot for you to listen and learn. Before we jump into today's topic, we're going to think about what we already know or our background knowledge, right? Because this can be a tricky topic. So let's review what we learned last week. We know the Earth is spinning. We saw that video that Mrs. Fabrizio showed us. We know the Earth is spinning. And we also know that when the Earth is facing the sun, it is daytime. And when the Earth is facing away from the sun, it is nighttime. Let's watch this video one more time to refresh our brains. So we know the sun's over here. This side of Earth is experiencing daytime because it's facing the sun. This side of Earth is experiencing nighttime because they're facing away from the sun. And here we can see that the Earth is spinning very slowly. We also learned last week from studying our shadows that the sun's position in the sky is changing. We know that the sun is not moving, but the Earth is spinning. So our shadows moved because the sun was moving throughout the sky. Awesome. So keep all of those things in your brain as we move forward. By the end of the lesson, you're going to be able to say two things. The first thing is, I can understand how it changes from daytime to nighttime. Go ahead and read that with me. I can understand how it changes from daytime to nighttime. Awesome. The next thing you're going to be able to say is, I can understand what the horizon is. Can you say that with me? I can understand what the horizon is. Now, the first question I have is, how does it change from daytime to nighttime? We know that when the Earth is facing the sun, it's daytime, and when it's facing away from the sun, it's nighttime, right? That's our background knowledge. We know that. But how does it change from daytime to nighttime? We're going to watch a video, and it's a time-lapse video, just like Miss Fabrizio showed you last week. Now, remember, a time-lapse video is a video that was taken over a long time, but it was sped up super quickly so that you can watch it in a short amount of time. Okay, so we're going to watch this time lapse. And remember, this actual video took a long time to film. See what you notice. As a scientist, look closely. What do you notice about what's happening? Take 10 seconds to think about what you noticed. I noticed that the sun's position in the sky was changing, right? And looks like it was moving down towards the ground. Now, as we watch it again, I want you to think about the sun. Look at the sun and think, what's happening to the sun? What's going on? I want you to watch it. Do you see the sun's position changing in the sky? Maybe you thought of something new that you noticed. That's what great scientists do. They think about what they're watching. Let's find out what was just happening. So the top part of our video shows the sky, right? We see the sun in the sky. And then down here below, we see earth or land. And these are some buildings here. And then we see this white line, okay? It kind of outlines all of these buildings here. This is called the horizon. Can you say horizon with me? Horizon. This line is where it looks like the earth and the sky come together, or where they meet, okay? So that line is called the horizon. And that is one of our vocab words, horizon. Can you say it with me? Horizon. It's the line where Earth and the sky look like they come together. Now, it looked like the sun got closer and closer to the horizon. And it looked like after that the sun went below the horizon. And you're exactly right. That's the sunset. Now, you may have already seen a sunset before, just like in this video. Okay, so the sunset is that time in the evening when the sun looks like it's moving right below the horizon. And we know that line right there is the horizon. Okay, the sun is getting lower and lower in the sky. Okay, so once that sun finally moves below the horizon, this is my horizon here, it moves below the horizon, it is going to be nighttime. Now the sun has already gone down in this picture, but it's still light outside. That's because there's still light in the atmosphere. Now, we always see patterns in science, right? We learned about that before. And there's a pattern that happens every single day. Every day, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, right? We always know this. If you think back to our social studies unit, you will remember the compass rose, right? And this helps us to tell direction. So we have north, east, south, and west. So the sun will always rise in the east and set in the west. That's a pattern that we see in science. Okay, so set rises in the east, sets in the west. Rises in the east, sets in the west. Can you try that with me? Rises in the east, sets in the west. Rises in the east, sets in the west. Nice job, scientists. Now you're thinking, do you think I could go to the horizon? No, unfortunately, we can't visit the horizon because it's not a place, right? Remember that horizon is the line that divides the sky and the earth. It's not just one place we can visit, okay? So you're gonna try and go outside and see your horizon. Now you can try and find your horizon by going outside and putting your arms straight out in front of you. Okay, so then you're gonna follow the line that you made with your arm to find that horizon, and you will have a horizon all the way around you if you move both ways or even backwards too. You'll be able to find your horizon. Now, sometimes you're going to see houses or trees in your horizon, just like we saw in that video. And that's okay. That's still your horizon. So now we know that when the sun moves below the horizon, it changes from daytime to nighttime. Awesome. I can understand how it changes from daytime to nighttime. Yep, I did that. And I can understand what the horizon is. It's that line where the sky and the earth meet. Awesome. Today, for your assignment, I want you to take a video of yourself on Seesaw and explain one thing you learned about the horizon in today's video. I can't wait to see your videos, friends, and I hope you have a great day.